What's going on, everybody? This is Shane from HetsAndTails, and today we got a couple of new ones with us. These are from the Serpent's Chamber, and this guy right here is my Pastel Orange Dream ENCHI Het Puzzle Boy. I just got him, and we got another one courtesy of the Serpent's Chamber. I was going to do an unboxing video, but at the time I had COVID, so here we are now. This is my new guy. I really like him. He is just cool looking. Look at that. So this is my new little buddy. I ended up getting another one, and this one is a YELLOWBELLY Hypo Het Ultramel. These are both from the Serpent's Chamber, and they are just awesome looking. Look at these guys. So like I said, he is Pastel, Orange Dream, and ENCHI. The Pastel makes them bright yellow. The Orange Dream kind of also complements that. The ENCHI makes his pattern so reduced. And then he's Het for Puzzle. So I'm going to be breeding him to my female Het puzzle. Hopefully I'll be creating some ENCHI puzzles, or even possibly a Super ENCHI puzzle, Pastel puzzle, OD puzzle, YELLOWBELLY puzzle. Any of those would be awesome. And this little guy, the YELLOWBELLY Hypo Het Ultramel, I got this guy actually for free. This was a gift snake from the Serpent's Chamber. So that was pretty awesome. Super excited to get both of these. Oh, don't bite me, buddy. Super excited to get both of these. Just amazing to get free snakes to top it off, and that there's stuff that will definitely help my collection. I can't thank Tim enough from the Serpent's Chamber. Thanks, man. Really excited about these. Heck yeah. Real quick, I'm going to go through all my racks and show you guys basically my collection so far. Let me know what you guys think I should add into my collection, or if you guys are interested in anything, hit me up. Maybe I'll sell it. Thanks. for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you guys want to see next, or if you want to see any of my pairings, stuff like that, things I'm working on this year. Let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.